Hello Kraft team, in this video we shall be making this beautiful Gele fan headband. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. Let's get crafting. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I am Ibiwari. We'll be needing some very few items to make this our beautiful Gele fan headband. We'll need our Gele. We'll be needing our tape, scissors, and the big Alice band, the biggest size Alice band, and we'll need our Tailor's chalk. That's all we'll be needing for this project. So to start off with, the measurement I used for the Gele is 36 inches length. The length for the Gele that was used in this is 36 inches. You can increase the length as you prefer. If you want your fan to, like to be more, you increase the length of your Gele. So I use 36 inches in length and 9 inches width. 36 inches length, 9 inches width. So you can play around with the measurement according to your preference. So that's just it. However you want, you can go ahead to play around according to your preference. If you've not joined the craft team, this is the right time to click on the subscribe button now to join the craft team. So to start off with, for this project, I'll just make a slant, do a slant on the edge, both edge of the Gele fabric. I'll do a slant just the way you see me do from one edge. Just at the beginning it will be straight off to the edge, then when you're getting to the your top, you curve it, because this gives it a curve, a smooth curve to your fan when we are done making it. So I do the same on both edge, of the Gele fabric I have. So just a slant curve on both edge of the Gele fabric. Then I'll go ahead to cut it off. And have that a smooth round shape that is required for this design. So if you've not subscribed to our channel, click on the subscribe button to join the craft team for more headwear tutorial, fashion accessory DIYs, millinery tips, and many more to come on this channel. You can go ahead to follow us on our Facebook page at Ibis Fine Crafties, on our Facebook group page at Ibis Fine Crafties Connect. That is where we showcase our designs, interact, ask questions, and learn more. So you can join our Facebook group page at Ibis Fine Crafties Connect. And if you did this design, you want to showcase it, you can showcase it on that platform. So to get to the second stage of our project, we'll just do a slant the way I'm doing now. A slant, first of all, the first slant is small, then the second one should be slightly longer than the first. That is how you know you're getting your slants to make a beautiful, to get your fan out beautifully. So you do a slant. Each slant should be longer than the previous one. Each new slant should be longer than the previous one. That is what we'll do till we exhaust our Gele fabric. Each slant should be longer than the previous one. We go ahead to do it till we exhaust all our Gele fabric. So that's technically what we are going to do with this fabric to get our fan shape. Simple, quick, simple, very quick and simple to get. So this is technically what we are to do till we get exhaust the gele fabric, and when we are done making all our slant, we pin it down so that it stays in place. And when you're done with all the slants, you use your needle and thread to tack the slant. Like now, like what I'm doing now, you just tack it. Once you tack the first one to the second slant, you tack the next one to this one, the second slant, you tack the fourth to the third, just like that. This my gele is very strong. Like it technically took me forever to put my needle through it, but I did. So if I hope you don't have a gele that is as strong as mine. So you just tack. That is what we'll do. Tack, 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 tack all our slants we've done. I'm done tacking, and see what I got. See the fan shape I got. So once you get something like this is what we are going for. So you just tack, and once you're done with your slant, you tack. So the next thing is to glue my gele fan now to my Alice headband, and we will technically be done. I'll just attach it with candle glue gun to my Alice headband to hold it firmly in place, and we are done. Thank you for watching. Kindly share, like, if you've learned anything from this, like and share so that others too will learn. See me rocking this showstopper. It was indeed a showstopper. Like, share, subscribe, and join the craft team for more headwear tutorials, fashion accessory DIYs, and many millinery tips, and many more to come. Like I always say, be creative, and bye.